Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of the Zodiac signs nail art tutorial videos for you. I seriously can't believe that I only have 2 more Zodiac signs left after I create a manicure for the sign of Libra. As you know, in 2019 I started this series based on Coyle Polish's Zodiac signs nail polish collection, and I also have all of the MoYou London stamping plates from this collection type, so I decided to combine these two and bring you Zodiac sign series throughout 2019. I do hope you are enjoying this series so far. If you do, then don't forget to also thumbs up this video for me. And if you don't want to miss out on the upcoming 2 nail art tutorials showcasing you the last 2 signs, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, as you know, Coyle polish is currently being discontinued. I am not really sure if you can still find all of the nail polishes from this collection, but if you do see them, I would highly recommend you to pick them up. So far, all of them swatch beautifully and I really enjoy them. Okay, now I will jump into the tutorial itself. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section. And I believe that's it. So thank you guys so much for being here. Stay tuned for the nail art tutorial itself, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.